You work hard, you save, you invest, but what if I told you that 70% of wealthy families lose their fortune by the second generation? And by the third, 90% of that wealth is gone. Yeah, you heard that right. If you don't plan wisely, your kids or grandkids might just blow it all. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build wealth that lasts for generations. Buckle up, take some notes, and let's get into it. Welcome to 86 Don Finance YouTube channel, where we break down the hidden mechanisms controlling your financial life. 10 ways to build generational wealth and secure your family's future. Keycap 1. Own land, the ultimate store of value. They're not making any more of it. Land is one of the safest ways to store wealth because its value only increases over time. The population grows, demand rises, and well, you own a piece of the earth. Want to really build generational wealth? Never sell your land, pass it down, lease it out, and make it work for you. Think about it, old money families? They've been sitting on prime real estate for centuries. Keycap 2. Invest in income-generating property. One golden rule for wealth that never disappears: own at least 2 rental properties in your lifetime. Buy them, rent them out, pass them down. Every generation adds more, and before you know it, your family has a real estate empire. And here's the kicker: people will always need a place to live, shop, or stay. Keycap 3. Start an evergreen business. Ever heard of Boeing, Ford, Hilton? These are last names. People, their families built businesses that survived for generations. If you want your wealth to outlive you, create something that your kids can and want to continue. The secret? Choose a business that people will always need: food, finance, housing, education. Think legacy. Keycap 4. Invest in the stock market, the S&P 500 method. Trying to pick the next Apple or Tesla? Good luck. Instead, do what smart investors do: buy the S&P 500. It's a bundle of the top 500 companies in the US, and guess what? It's grown by an average of 10% per year over the long term. If you had invested $100 in 2009, today you'd have nearly $850. You don't need to be a stock market genius. Just set it and forget it. Keycap 5. Use the buy, borrow, die strategy. This one is the game changer. Rich people, they never sell their assets. Instead, they borrow against them. Need cash? Borrow against your property or stock portfolio instead of selling it. Why? Because you don't pay taxes on borrowed money. This is how the ultra-rich build wealth tax-free and pass it down without losing a fortune to the government. Now you know. Keycap 6. Buy and hold Bitcoin and gold. Look, I'm not saying put your entire fortune into Bitcoin or gold, but let's be real, both have been insane wealth protectors. Bitcoin is the digital gold of our era. It's scarce, decentralized, and could be worth millions for your grandkids. Meanwhile, gold has survived every economic crash in history. You don't have to go all in, but even holding 1 Bitcoin or a few gold bars, that could be a massive safety net in the future. Keycap 7. Teach your kids financial literacy. You can leave your kids millions, but if they don't know how money works, guess what? They'll blow it in a heartbeat. Teach them about assets versus liabilities, make them earn their allowance through smart money habits, show them how investing works before they inherit anything. Wealth without financial education is just a countdown to being broke. Keycap 8. Use trust funds to protect your assets. Avoid inheritance tax nightmares. If you don't set up a trust, Uncle Sam is getting a huge cut of your family's money. Trust funds lock up your wealth and release it on your terms, whether that's when your kids turn 25, graduate, or start a business. That way, they don't just inherit a pile of cash and waste it. Keycap 9. Never stop earning and minimize taxes. Think you can just sit back and relax once you make it? Nah, the real game? Never stop earning. Run side businesses, keep investing, learn tax strategies. The more you legally reduce taxes, the more wealth you keep. Remember, the rich don't pay more taxes than they have to. Why should you? Keycap 10. Compound your wealth and knowledge. This is where everything comes together. Compound your money and your knowledge. Read books, learn new skills, reinvest profits. The difference between staying rich and going broke? How much you know. Every billionaire you admire is a learning machine. Don't just build wealth, build wisdom. Alright, my friend, we've just covered 10 powerful ways to build generational wealth, strategies that can transform your financial future if you start applying them today. But here's the truth, most people won't take action. They'll watch this video, think it's interesting, and then go back to their usual routine. And that's exactly why only 1% of people truly achieve lasting wealth. Are you going to be different? Think about it. Just imagine where your family could be 10, 20, or even 50 years from now if you start applying even a few of these principles. What if your kids never had to worry about money? What if your grandkids could start life with a financial head start? What if you could be the one to break the cycle of struggle in your family forever? That's the power of generational wealth. But it doesn't happen by accident, it happens by choice. If you're serious about changing your financial future, then here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first step you are going to take? Are you buying land, investing in real estate, setting up a trust fund? I want to hear your plan. Hit that like button if you found this valuable. It helps spread this knowledge to more people. And if you're really serious about leveling up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we're bringing you even more powerful strategies to build wealth. Invest smarter and secure your financial future. Look, time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start, the bigger your wealth grows. Every great financial empire started with just one decision. So ask yourself right now, will you be the one who builds something that lasts? Or will you let time slip away and leave the next generation to struggle? The choice is yours, my friend. Make it count. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay smart, and start building that legacy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Start building your generational wealth today.